तो दोस्तों अभी हमने लीनियर सिस्टम, उसका डेफिनेशन, एक्सप्लेनेशन और रिलेशन देखा है. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इन लीनियर सिस्टम. जैसे कि अभी हमने देखा है इन लीनियर सिस्टम फोर्स इज रिलेटेड एज F is equals to minus kx. So where force F is force applied on the block or x is displacement. So let us consider as this is first point. Now according to Newton's laws of motion, second law of motion, we can say F is equals to ma. So what is this? So F is force applied and m is mass of the body and a is acceleration. But in physics these quantities, I mean motion quantities related to motions, velocity, displacement, acceleration, these quantities are represented, can be represented by mathematical function. So if you remember, acceleration is nothing but what? Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So we can say as a is equals to dv by dt. So that is nothing but rate of change of velocity with respect to time, that is equals to d dt of velocity. But दोस्तों also last year we have studied velocity also can be represented or can be given using again differential term, that is nothing but velocity is a rate of change of displacement. So therefore d dt, and instead of this velocity I can write as dx by dt. So here there are two times differentiation of displacement. So directly you can replace that d2x by dt square. So what we got? So acceleration is nothing but 2 times derivative of displacement with respect to time. So therefore in this equation we can replace this a and use the d2x by dt square. So therefore F is equals to m into d2x by dt square. So this is, you can say, second relation according to Newton's law and mathematical notation. And first in linear system we have derived that F is equals to minus kx. So these two quantities are nothing but they represent force. So therefore you can consider m into d2x by dt square is equals to minus kx. So therefore m into d2x by dt square is equals to minus kx. Take this m opposite side, therefore you will get d2x by dt square is equals to minus k upon m into x. Now to make equation linear as the linear equation equals to 0, take this part opposite side. So therefore you can say d2x by dt square, this take my negative term this side, so it becomes plus k by m into x is equals to 0, and therefore you can say d2x by dt square plus k by m into x is equals to 0. This is called as differential equation in linear system, where k by m is constant because k already we have discussed as force constant and m is mass which is also constant. So k by m is also constant. So also you can get one more form, that d2x by dt square plus omega square x is equals to 0. So this is another one form where k by m we have used as omega square, remember. And in next lecture we will see why k by m is equals to omega square. So for right now you can just Remember, this is the differential equation in linear SHR, and this is another one form. So d2x by dt square plus k by m into x is equals to 0. This is the differential equation in linear SHR. Okay, those.